So yeah, good drink. So I keep my kratom with me. I mean, I was gonna move to Japan, but now I changed my mind because kratom isn't legal in Japan, but it's been legalized in Thailand. So I guess we're going to Thailand. So, um, yeah, it's. I get this question often. I mean, people say, how do you know what's the sign of the reversal? And, they're curious, and that's fine. Oh, there's not a one sign. It's never a one sign kind of thing. It's more of a collective, and you'll be able to tell these things. You'll be able, and each time, even in major trends. I mean, each time it's going to be sort of difference, but there are going to be certain traits that you're going to notice. There are things that you're going to see. You're going to see a BE form. You're going to see, many times, not every single time, but more often than not. Okay. More often than not, you're going to see a harmonic form. You're going to see things like, harmonic, like a bearish pattern that forms at the bottom. And then the bearish pattern doesn't get fulfilled. It's left open, and that breaks out. You want to trade that. You want to get into that. Okay. I talked about that. It's in the book. That's why I say, hey, get the book. Okay. And my place to go, which seems like none of you have been checking it out. It's fine. All right. But I'm going to keep saying it. Daily FX. Daily FX. You can learn a lot, man. You can learn a lot from daily FX. Just apply that stuff. You have to learn, study. I mean, it's part of, I'm giving you integral parts of what you should have. I'm not saying that you're going to follow this thing necessarily to a T, but you're going to know really, you're going to see certain confirmations. You're going to see certain things happen. All right. They're seeing it slow down. It doesn't mean that it's going to stop, but it does mean that, hey, could be a turnaround, and they're talking about it. It's beginning to be a talk about thing. Doesn't always happens on reversals. Of course not. Okay. Nothing is absolute on reversals. Okay. I guess the only thing that I will see on a reversal is going to be a double top and a double bottom. I mean, you see those in a lot of places. So, I mean, there's no like one like tall tail symbol indicator thing that's going to be like, you see this, that's it. You know what I'm saying? It's, it just doesn't happen that way. If that were so, everybody, you'd just be able to shut everything down and just use that one indicator. Okay. A lot of you guys are trying to shortcut your way to success. You can't shortcut your way to success. Okay. You've seen how I trade. You've seen the potential. All right. You've seen how my targets hit. You have to realize that you can't shortcut this. Stop trying to shortcut this. You want to be a good trader? Or do you want some kind of, I'll give you a lottery ticket. You're better off playing the lottery. You are better off playing the lottery, I'm telling you. But if you want to learn this and you want to make this you want to make this a career, you want to make this where you can be like me, live in different places, have like, live in the Philippines, live in Thailand, live in New York City, and live in DC. Like, if you want to have a life where you can just do whatever the fuck you want, you have to be around people that you don't like. Okay. Like, I'm not going to be working with traders that I don't like. Okay. If I don't like you, well, you wouldn't even be in the group to begin with. But if I don't like you, I'm going to boot you out. You can have all the material, all the learning and everything, but you certainly won't have my mentorship. All right. If it gets to that point, if I don't like you, you're done. I don't care what you do or what you say, you know? But no, I mean, a lot of you guys are, I think, great people. So I see a lot of people that are great people. I mean, mostly I get dicked by customers, but it's okay. That's all right. That's fine. They can't touch my bank account. They can't touch my trading skills. So, and that's all I care about, having trading skills. So I'm reading this, and they're talking about it. And this is good stuff. This is a good read. So Japanese yen seller back on the prowl. Yep. Look at that. See, we have this spike here, a breakdown, right? Reversal. We have this harmonic pattern formed. the breakout, and then it's going to just, it gets weak. It gets weak. This is going to get covered. See this area here? That's going to get closed. It's talking about it's doing this. Bro, the best thing it can do is stop here. That's the best thing it can do, man. Here or near it. I doubt past it. But just do a double top. The whole thing be a double top, and that's it. If it gets to that, it's actually a double top, sort of. If you backed out where it is now, it's just a double top at an angle. But this gets weak. It's already getting weak. All right, I can see it. It's already weak. It starts to break down. You have your tool. You know, the best tool to use. You want to talk about reversals? So what's my tall tale sign? I'm going to give you a tool that's very good. It's almost the end all be all. Almost the end all be all. But it's not. I mean, nothing is. But if you want to, you know, if anything would be, it would be this. Let's go. OddCat. It's 1 hour chart. Got BEs forming. Boom, boom. There's a harmonic here. Where's the harmonic? It's gone? Oh, there it is. It's another one, though. Whatever. This is a daily. Wait a minute. There's a daily. Excuse me. Yes, that's what I'm. Oh, that's okay. I was in the wrong part of the chart. So we have the daily. Oh, was I in the right part? I was in the right part. I was in the right part. Yes. Okay. So yeah, we're zoomed in. Know your BEs on the higher time frames. Higher time frame BEs. I didn't mention this on the BE course. Higher time frame BEs. That's why you got to watch all my videos. I can't fit everything into one video. You know, if you be diligent, you're going to make money. You're going to make diligent money. You want diligent money? Like everybody wants the diligent money, but they don't want to be diligent. Like they want to be lazy. Sorry, kid. Doesn't work that way. All right. So BE got the dojis. The dojis and the bullish go together, and then the bearish BEs at the top. Okay, they're good signs. Like we could sit on a 4 hour maybe and go through this. Look for some BEs. Don't see one here, and we don't see one there on the 4 hour.
Connect One Forex Signal Services allows traders to take advantage of market trends to grow smaller accounts into larger accounts. No need to rush to capture a 50, 100, or 150 pip signal, because KOFXS signals are between 200 and 1200 pips. Here's how it works. When you look at the signal, it'll have an open price, a stop loss, and a target, with additional information about risk-return ratio, potential pips, and explainer video for the trade. If the trade gets stopped out, you can either wait for it to return to the open price, or you can take a second signal that's going to have an even greater return with the same target price. Our special strategy for calculating price targets is what separates us from other services out there. Take advantage of large trend movements and start on your way to success with KOFXS Group. For more details, visit our website or join our Telegram channel for a free trial.
I'm thinking about moving up my hours, like instead of the 1 for the BEs, because then you have I have all the rules for that. Maybe the higher the 4 hour, the daily, but dailies take a while to form up. Here and then not here. See, it went around it. But this is shorting this JPY. I've been in that short now for 24 hours. Okay, it still has some, you know, some of the buyers are holding this up. Support still on that's the ATR. Okay, hasn't broken down. They're on the 4 hour. All right, and the same thing. It's so loud. Same thing for odd CHF. Hasn't done that confirmation on the 4 hour yet. But I'm ready. I'm in it. I'm already, you know, suited and booted. I'm already suited and booted. We got some BEs, see? Boom. Didn't get in on this end on the 4 hour. That's good. suited and booted. Okay. Same formation. You know, the Aussie dollar. All of them are following in unison because of the news that came out on the Aussie. So they're just kind of following that. Boom. You could have been here. Got in. Right? I didn't get in at all. CAD CHF. Why did I have buys on these? I forget why I put it there. Anyway, CAD CHF, and I'm shorting that in another account. It's not in this account. So, boom, we got a BE there. See? CAD JPY. 59 pips into this one. Got the pop, and then there's going to be the drop. BE. All right? Looking good. Looking good. CHF JPY. Am I in this one? Yeah, I'm in this one on another account. Oh, yeah, the doji. I was like, so I knew I wasn't going anywhere. I'm going to go anywhere for a while. So, that's what it is. But, you see this pop? Hold on. You see the pop? We have the targets down here. You see that sharp drop toward the target, like a slip. There's a sharp drop toward the target. That's one sign of the end. Okay? That your target's going to get fulfilled. 70 pips in. I started down here, went up here, and I've pulled all the way back. Still in it. We're still in the trade. Still good. Green, boom. In the green. Next, EuroCAD. EuroCAD, the same situation. We had a down day, but that's fine. That's fine. That one's a little bit later. That one, I took that trade much later. So, which is okay. So, we just wait. Euro CHF. You guys get addicted to these little adrenaline rushes. Boom, boom. Now we're going to wait for a BE to form up on that 4 hour. Boom. Same situation. BE comes in. I'm freaking murdering her. BE. Look at that. Even, see, after that spike and it cracked, after that big crack, it just was shaken up. It has not recovered since then. This area doesn't get past. If it gets past, this comes a little reversal zone, and it's just going to fall out. It's just something I've seen over and over. We have to see these over and over again, guys. And you learn the trade. You learn how to trade the prices by being in the trade. At the doji, boom. Breakout, boom. It moved 40 pips. That triangle hit the target. What you see? Up and down, and then gone the other way. Breaks down again. That means a huge move. Look at this. Huge. Then it just collapses. We get a BE here. This is the euro. I mean, it's my least, man. I can't stand the euro USD as much as people like it. I thought this would pull closer. GBP, I thought it would be a little more closer. Looks like it's going to be a little stretched out. A little more stretched. A little more stretched out. Okay. A little more volatility. Okay. Before going up to our target. But it's that once it breaks down and begins to turn toward our target, that's it. It's just going to hit target. GBP, CAD. Not in there now. Got a BE. Boom. Could bounce right off, buy right off of that BE. BE here, but I'm not shorting it. It's not a shorted pair. It's a non-trade at this point. It's really more so a buy, but it's not really going that far. GBP, JPY, waiting for the breakdown of the yen. Same thing, same situation. All the yens are kind of in the same situation. Some ahead of others. Okay. And look at this. You got this. Keeps violating it, right? Boom, boom, boom. But it has finally turned around. Oh, and I didn't talk about the tool. Let's see if I can zoom in.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
Yeah, that's up. Yeah, that's still up. When it violates your 382, get out the trade, or you can short. Simple as that. That's the tool I'm talking about. A tool you could use. If it would be an end-all be-all, this would be the tool. You would know when to buy, when to sell. I don't always use it, but I should. Let's look at that. Violated it. Violated it. This trend down is over. Okay. Tried to get back in. Left. You could have bought here. Right there. But this GBP USD sucks. Too many people trading it. Won't go anywhere. It's going to be the last to leave. This right here, no trade. Look at it, just going into one spot. I mean, it's like giving up on trading. NZD has given up on life, man. A D. We're looking at only 4-hour charts today. Yeah, because we always do one. Just gonna do something different. A pop, and then it's probably gonna be a drop. But if it comes down here and then, does this sort of thing, will come back up and it's gonna shoot up. I believe there is. Yep. See, there's a 92.02. There's a 92.011 target. If it doesn't get touched, it comes back later. Okay. I'm thinking it's gonna stop here, head down, and come back later for the future. But it could touch it. It could spike and then drop. We don't know. These things happen. USD, don't like it. I really don't. I'm getting out of the MDDs. Let's move on. USD, I'm in a buy there, up 80 pips. We had predicted this to happen on a video made way back in mid-March. We drew the line here. I didn't erase it. I didn't adjust this. This is how you can check the video. I said this part won't happen until over here. So this is good. We're half the time. We've cut our time in half for the breakout. Very good. Very good stuff. Very good stuff. Got a BE. We got a BE there. So, wait a minute. Is this a short? Oh, this is a no trade. But there's a target is down below, right? No. Oh, okay. All right. So, yeah, we're not in this trade. USD CNH sideways. It's so sideways it just makes me sick. And the last USD JPY. Oh, we have a BE right here. Am I in the short? Did I just short this? Wait a minute. So I have several accounts. Let's take this one, my small account. All right, this is the small account. I've come down. Yeah, we had some, break. That's okay. A few $100, just a few $100. Trades. Yeah, and it spread so big and it got caught up. Oh, and then they're charging me the swap fee. Yeah, they went over the time. Yeah. USD JPY. Where's USD JPY? Up top. There it is. USD JPY. Boom. Okay. And I'll do the other stuff later. I'm expecting this to crack. Just come back up. It's fulfilled this. It hit this target, 124. The other target I had just made, like way back here. It hit that target and then shoot. So little pop, and I expect to drop. Pop and drop on the USD JPY trade. Let's see. All right, so that's that. Is there anything else? We just looked at the 4 hour today, right? We just did the 4 hour. And anything else? That is it. I'm out of here. So keep it under 19 minutes. No, keep it under 20 minutes. I'm Aaron Truth. It's KOFXS. Oh, and welcome our new member, Victor. Victor just came in to the membership area. I have to add him in there. He just joined. He just sent the cash, and he's now in. So congratulate him. Thank him for being with us. I'm happy for him to be with us, and I look forward to working with him. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.